Friends, today we are going to watch some great video. What can happen if a hydraulic pressure is applied on a 3 kg cast iron horn? The cast iron horn rests in the middle under hydraulic pressure. What can happen if a hydraulic pressure is applied on a steel locker? Let's see what happened with the hydraulic pressure on a football. This causes the rod to rupture in the middle due to hydraulic pressure. What a beautiful way to fault a hydraulic pressure. What happens if a hydraulic pressure is applied to the top of the Coca-Cola bottle? What happens if a hydraulic pressure is applied on a wooden toothpick? I put a hydraulic pressure on a toy train. How much pressure can a piece of bone withstand? At a 1462 kg the rate rafting. As a result of the hydraulic pressure, the piece of iron falls off. Plastic fast food is pressed down by the hydraulic pressure. What a wonderful way to screw people over. What happens if hydraulic pressure is applied on a bearing? I packed a lot of marble in a plastic bag and put them under the hydraulic machine. Plastic dinosaur explode under pressure. As a result of hydraulic pressure, the glass breaks in a very frightening way. Skippy packet is a hydraulic, so everything inside come out.